Don't be a parrot in life. A parrot talks way too much but can't fly high. But an eagle is silent and has the willpower to touch the sky. Here are the 7 mentalities that we can learn from an eagle. Number 1. Eagles fly alone at high altitudes. Eagles don't fly with sparrows, ravens, and other small birds. This means stay away from narrow-minded people, those that bring you down. Eagles fly with eagles. There's a saying that goes like this: the people you hang around will eventually determine the person you become. Keep good company. Number 2. Eagles have vision. They have the ability to focus on something as far as 5 kilometers away. No matter what the obstacles, the eagle will not move its focus from the prey until it grabs it. This means have a vision and remain focused in your life. No matter what obstacles and challenges you may face, don't give up. Keep going and you will succeed. Number 3. Eagles are fearless. An eagle will never surrender to the size or strength of its prey. It will always give a fight to win its prey or regain its territory. This means, no matter what the size or difficulty of your problems, don't give up. Instead, face them. Successful people are fearless. They face problems head-on. Number 4. Eagles are tenacious. Eagles love storms. When clouds gather, the eagles get excited. They use the storm's wind to lift themselves higher. Once they find the wind of a storm, eagles use the ragging storm to lift themselves above the clouds. This gives them the opportunity to glide and rest their wings. Meanwhile, all the other birds hide in the branches and leaves of the trees. This means achievers are not afraid of challenges. Rather, they relish in them and use them for profitability. Number 5. Eagles never eat dead things. Eagles never eat dead meat. In other words, an eagle does not scavenge. It only eats the meat from the prey it kills itself. This means, do not rely on your past success. Keep looking for new frontiers to conquer. Leave your past where it belongs, in the past. Number 6. Eagles prepare for training. They remove the feathers in the soft grass and the nest so that the young ones get uncomfortable in preparation for flying. Eventually, they fly when it becomes too unbearable to stay in the nest. This means leave your comfort zone. There is no growth there. Last but not least, number 7. Eagles possess vitality. When the eagle grows old, its feathers become weak and can no longer take it as fast and high as it should. This makes it weak and can lead to death. So, it retires to a place far away in the mountains. While there, it plucks out the weak feathers, breaks its beak and its claws against the rocks until it is completely bare, a very bloody and painful process. Then, it stays in its hiding place until it has grown new feathers, a new beak and new claws. After that, it comes out flying higher than ever before. This means we occasionally need to shed old habits. No matter how difficult, things that burden us or add no value to our lives should be let go of. Thanks for watching this video. Share and subscribe for more amazing inspiration.